25-year-old state-level tennis player Radhika Yadav was shot dead by her own father, Deepak Yadav, inside their home in Sushant Lok Phase 2 on Thursday morning. The latest in the case is that the postmortem of the deceased tennis player has been completed. 4 bullets were recovered from Radhika Yadav's body. 3 had struck her back and 1 had hit her shoulder. And today, Deepak Yadav was produced in a Gurugram court and has been sent to one-day police remand. Details of the remand papers have been accessed by News9. It tells us that the cartridges of the pistol used, the revolver, beg your pardon, used in the murder have to be recovered. The father, Deepak Yadav, kept the cartridges found with the licensed revolver on his land near Rewari. The DVR has been seized from the house, which CCTV that was installed on the way to the first floor is going to be interrogated. A special team has been called in for the very same CCTV DVR investigation has to be carried out in front of the accused father, and it is learned that the father is not cooperating in police interrogation, changing his statements repeatedly one after the other. And social media of the deceased tennis player and daughter Radhika Yadav is going to be investigated as to why Radhika's social media profile went missing shortly before the murder. The court has sent Deepak Yadav to Gurugram police custody for one day, and the police say the murder took place at about 10:30 a.m. on the 10th of July. Deepak allegedly fired 5 rounds. 4 of them hit Radhika Yadav from his licensed 30.32 bore revolver. 4 bullets hit Radhika in the back, 1 on the shoulder. She died right there on the spot. And it wasn't until 12:30, about 2 hours later, that the police were alerted by the hospital. And police believe in that 2-hour gap, Deepak disposed of the ammunition on the land he owns near Kasam village in Rewari. My colleague Aparna has filed in this ground report. She was there on the ground as to what happened today and what might be the real reason behind this extreme step. Take a listen.
A 25-year-old girl, Radhika Yadav, had a dream of becoming a successful tennis player, and she was already on the path. She had played at state level, national level, and ranked 113th in the International Tennis Federation. And this is her house where she was shot dead yesterday, shockingly, by her own father, who shot her 3 times with a revolver on her waist, ending not just her career but her entire life. Now, this incident has left everyone stunned. Many reasons are being speculated. This is her house where she was shot yesterday at around 10:30 a.m. when she was cooking something for her mother because it was her mother's birthday. Also, everyone we spoke to off camera just couldn't imagine what could have gone so wrong between a father and daughter, as people close to the family are saying that they are sharing a good bond, and her father used to proudly accompany her to tournaments and praised her when she won medals. But all of a sudden, Radhika had suffered a shoulder injury which disrupted her tennis career, and instead of giving up, she decided to open a tennis academy to train kids who, like her, had dreamed of becoming champions. Her academy was also doing well and she was financially independent, but this all of a sudden became a problem for her father. He reportedly couldn't digest that people were saying that the house was now running on his daughter's earning. When villagers criticized him for allowing his daughter to run the academy independently, Deepak Yadav confronted Radhika, who firmly refused to close the academy, reminding him of his own investment and support. But then again, there is a big twist in the story. As per the police sources, the statements given to the investigating team by Radhika's family members, Deepak Yadav had been deeply suspicious about the behavior of both his daughter and his wife. And on one occasion, he had a heated confrontation with his wife merely because she was speaking with Deepak's own real brother. And also, despite these personal conflicts, Deepak had actively supported Radhika's ambitions in the past. He had initially no objection to her music career, and when she wished to appear in a music video, he personally accompanied her and stayed on the set for about 11 hours. But soon after Radhika suffered an injury that affected her tennis career, Deepak invested large amount to establish a tennis academy for her. But in this case, as we can see, that financial difficulties did not appear to be a motivating factor as per the police source, because Deepak Yadav was earning approximately rupees 3 lakh per month and had no known monetary constraint. But the details from the remand paper that we have received is that the police need to still recover the ammunition used in the murder, and also Deepak Yadav has reputedly kept the cartridge that came with his licensed pistol on a piece of land near Rewari. The DVR has been seized from the house. A CCTV camera is installed on the way to the first floor, and a special team has also been called in to examine the CCTV DVR in front of the accused Deepak Yadav.